Rejuvenate washing machine cleaner and deodorizer was specifically designed to help remove and dissolve odor-causing residues that may build up in your washing machine over time. Washing machine care starts with monthly cleanouts using Rejuvenate washing machine cleaner and deodorizer. These tablets help remove residues and keep laundry and washing machines smelling fresh. These specially formulated foaming tablets dissolve slowly, lasting throughout the entire wash cycle. They break up dirty residue better than bleach, and they're safe to use with any type of washing machine, including front load, top load, conventional, and high efficiency. Keep your washing machine and clothes fresh and clean with this washing machine cleaner and deodorizer from Rejuvenate. Make it new again. Made in the USA.